Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, Aimfield is here to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, Aimfield is here to make you fly. Here we go. Here we go.
Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Felsha De Silva and I am here to explain you my airport model today. So let's get started. So here the first thing is a parking area. As we can see, there are many vehicles in the airport. So the place where they are parked is this parking area. So the first one is a mini ambulance. It is for emergency services to the passengers. The second one is mini fire brigade for emergency services like fire and stuffs like that. So the third one is the mini cleaner. This mini cleaner helps the runway to be clean and the airport to be clean. And the last one is a mini vehicle. So this mini vehicle helps the passengers to go from the terminal building till the runway or wherever the aircraft is parked. So the passengers can freely go from one place to another with the help of the mini vehicle. So the next thing over here is the helipad. So the place where the helicopters take off and land is over here. So moving on to the next one, we have the terminal building, the main building, which is also called as the terminal building. So the terminal building, there are various stuffs happening inside of the terminal building. The process like immigration, visa check, baggage check, luggage check, and so on. All the things which happen is in the terminal building, like the waiting room, etc., etc. So here, as we can see, there is a taxing area. So the Indigo aircraft is in the process of disembarkation over here. So then moving on to the very important part of the model, the ATC, the air traffic controller. So the air traffic controller is a place where all the people sit over here and make sure that there is no traffic in the air. That, for example, there is no collision of two aircrafts happening in the air. So this is a place where the people over here sit and they just take a look of the airport. Everything is visible from the above seat. So the last thing over here is the runway. This is the right runway and the left runway. So as we can see, the runway is a place where aircrafts take off and land. So here there is an Indigo aircraft which is about to take off now. So let's see. The process of taking off is happening now.